So what are we going to talk about today? I'm going to talk about, I'm only going to talk about 1/10 of 1% of what I could share with you if you give me enough time. If Trevor had had the awareness about him to give me the entire 2 days to talk, but he didn't. He's only given me a short time, so blame him.
That's the next event, John.
Huh?
Next event.
Yeah, right. This is the best, however, this is the key here. What I'm going to be telling you right now, even though it pisses off people, this is the best advice I've given entrepreneurs, freelancers, veteran business owners, and folks desperate who were desperate to finally taste real success. This is how old school dudes do it. Proven, reality tested, no bullshit, delusion free. Again, not specific tactics. It's mostly about attitude. And when I say it's going to piss people off, I give versions of this advice in almost every first coaching call I do when people buy a series of coaching calls from me. And they often get very, very angry because they think they're doing this. So I want you to pay attention. If any of these slides come up and you think, I'm already doing that, double check it, and I'll try to make that clear to you.